When in the construction process should you install, sand, and finish your hardwood floors? I'm going to explain all this to you while you watch us install this white oak flooring. Back in the day, they would install the hardwood floors early in the construction process and then sand and finish them right at the end. If you have a really careful contractor or you're DIYing the entire project, that's fine to do. It's actually the best way. But for the most part, other trades are not going to show enough respect to that freshly installed floor, and it's going to have gouges and dings. So most places will not do this. There's certain items in the construction process that should always go after hardwood floors. One of them is cabinets. This is a kitchen you're looking at here. As you can see, there's no cabinets in sight. Since hardwood floors are going to last forever, they're probably going to outlast your cabinets. And when you rip those cabinets out later, you don't want there to be patches needed underneath. Not to mention, it's very hard to install a hardwood floor around to cabinets with toe kicks and their expensive finishes without damaging them. Let's talk trim. If it's going to touch the floor, it's better to put it in afterwards. If it's not going to touch the floor, it's better to put it in before the floor. Things like baseboards and shoe molding, obviously those must wait till after. Things like door casings and door jambs, those can go in ahead of time, although they make your hardwood guy's life a little bit harder. Let's talk paint. Your painter would love to do all of his stuff before the flooring guy so that he doesn't have to cover anything. But in reality, your painter should probably be the most careful guy who works in your house, and he should be the last guy that works in your house. He should come in and he should prime, and he should put down the base coat of paint. But anything beyond that should wait. He's going to have to do some small drywall touch-ups, and he's going to have to do some small paint touch-ups. And if you try to do this before the floor goes in, you're bound to just have unhappiness between the trades. Just remember, the floor guys are running the big machines and they're swinging hammers right up next to your wall trying to get the boards in tight. There's going to be a little bit of damage, and the painter's going to have to take care of this. Several other items we'll cover are your HVAC guys. HVAC needs to be running and have your house acclimated to what it's going to be at. For most places, that's going to be a subfloor humidity of 7 to 9%. If you're going to run hardwood in the bathroom, which please don't, but if you are, your hardwood guy needs to finish up before that toilet gets set. And if your vanity is going to be resting on the floor, you're going to want to wait on that too. If you want to DIY your own hardwood flooring project and save a ton of money, check out the link down below to our website where we have a bunch of pro-grade materials. It tells you how much of them you need, how to use them, and it takes out all the confusion of DIYing your own hardwood project. I've also got another great video popping up on the screen for you right now.